1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. This is a beautiful example. I love this color combo. It's kind of a copper with a white vinyl top. It's got a wonderful stance to it. It's got OE suspension under it, but it appears it's been totally redone. New control arm bushings, ball joints, etc. Newer springs in the back. We'll have pictures of it on the lift on our website so you can look closely at the suspension, but really nice shape, really tight driving car. Sounds awesome. It's got the 350 engine. Check out this interior, bucket seats, console. Love that floor shifter in the console. Awesome sounding car. I'm gonna fire it up for you so you can get a preview of what it sounds like. Factory air, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got a nice aftermarket tachometer in the dash there. All right, here's our AC controls down here. It's a warmer day here in Colorado. Turn this AC on and get it going. There's your horn. I really like these nice mounted gauges down here. It has an aftermarket radio. See if it turns on. Seems to make sounds, that's good. Very luxurious interior. It's an awesome shape in here. Seats look brand new. Just really nice shape. This AC, I can feel it starting to blow nice and cold. Just listen to this exhaust. Just sounds awesome. Door closes nice. Pop the hood here for you. All right, check this engine bay out, folks. This thing is super clean under the hood. Oldsmobile 350 engine. You can see our AC compressor over here is engaged and spinning. Factory air and everything looks really nice and clean. It's got the R134A fittings on it. Got a Holley carburetor with a nice half-inch spacer. You got power brakes, power steering. See, look how clean everything is. Nice way they routed the spark plug wires even there. A lot of attention to detail in this car. I'm going to turn the air conditioning off now. You can see the AC compressor is no longer engaged. Engine's nice and tight. All right, moving on to the paint and body. Obviously, this car has been repainted at some point in time. We did not do the restoration, so we don't have all the details on when it was painted. They did a very nice job. Shows really good. Love these wheels and tires. BF Goodrich radial TAs. Black letters out. Have to get the date code on the other side of the tire for you. I don't think they're that old. You can see they're in really good shape. love that dash. The exhaust just sounds awesome. A little bit of touch up here on the door. Right on the edge of the door. Keep that in mind. The car looks awesome out here in this lighting. If you get the car in the right light, sometimes you can see a little bit of shrinkage in the paint, like right there. It's just like a small little dot in the paint here and there on it. You don't really see it outside. It's more if you have it in a garage with LED lights above it. You might see a little bit of shrinkage in the paint, a couple little dots on it here and there. Not super noticeable. Definitely a very, overall, this car is an excellent, very high quality driver. If you'd like to learn more about this, scroll down. There'll be a link in our description. It'll take you right to our website. There you can find the asking price, full high resolution photo gallery, including pictures of the undercarriage. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.